awulalela ntwana answer ukuthi esikolweni ufundzela 12 years, then naso se-tertiary it's either you do 3 years, 4 years, 8 years. Yeah ntwana, I'm at this point longathi ngiyathula, I'm trying to clear out my mind ukuthi ngikubekele info ivakale la kuwe ntwana. Lesikhathi lowaspenda nami lengaspenda esikolweni facing one teacher the whole fucking year, it's never helped us. Akusitana nzawo ntwana, because info legabi the teachers are teaching you what is written down, but they are not teaching you how to write this thing you will read. Awangiva because utaze uthi wena ngani phela sibu basifundisa bo composition writing. No, it's not about composition writing, it's about how to project. When I say how to project, ntwana ngikhuluma ngencwadi la, the whole fucking book. Giving an example, we are talking about a novel. You cannot write a novel while basakufundisa esikoleni ukuthi whenever you are late at school you'll get punishment. Then nivumelana ngani ngema rules classini? Okay, like I'm at this point. Why don't we as Swazis, like emaswati, umuntu nje as no, I'm not going to school, I'm going to learn a basic talent. Lange phandle kumele esikolweni ngabe basifundisa yini? Basifundisa plumbing, basifundise wire system. You see, everything that goes with wire basifundise kona. Maybe it's auto mechanic, everything that's dealing with mechanic, deal it. Like I'm failing to understand because here in Eswatini we do have Indians which are good examples, but we fail to learn from them. Ndwana silkuni la lengcolo, because the most of emaswati they try by all means to say, I want to be successful. Finding out when you go there, you go to fetch different characters, face different teachers. Finding out you fail to go out from school. And as for me, I didn't make it well at school. Choosing to become a poet, it was never easy, but I had to because there was pain inside.